Thank you so much for watching. This is Rocky with Hole-in-One Locating, and this is one of our first videos on our channel. So what is Hole-in-One Locating? Who are we? What in the world do we do? Well, we do a couple of things. One, and the primary thing we do is we mark underground utilities so that they're not damaged during excavation, so people don't get hurt and property doesn't get damaged and the bad things happen when things blow up, which would be a cool future video. I mean, not cool for the people that blown up, but it's really cool videos to watch water mains and stuff explode. In the meantime, that's one of the things we do. The other thing we do is training. We do training for different companies, third-party training, training their locators how to use the equipment that they have, how it operates, understanding that process, and then demoing, of course, different equipment and so forth. But the primary thing we do is marking underground utilities. How do we do that? There's the standard method that we use, and there's a series of videos coming up on how that works with applying a current and following a frequency. There's sound that we use if the item is non-conductive, like a plastic water main, for example. We can thump the line with this device here, put a sound on that, and we can listen for it as it comes through the earth. If it's a sewer line or something that has a clean out, we have a series of rodders like this that we can use to fish tape that line. We have a series of sondes that we can flush down toilets or attach to the end of a thicker line if we need to make that conductive. If all else fails and we have, say, a concrete line or a tile line or something out, we have the AML, which is my favorite tool in the toolbox, which checks for changes in vertical density. So we're kind of all things locating, whether that's marking the line so they're not damaged, whether that's training, whether that's demoing the different products for various companies. Shoot me an email, rocky@holeinonelocating.com, and let us know. Thank you so much. We appreciate you watching.